male and female. This award is given to the students who stands out for their exceptional style and fashion sense, according to the theme, A Fairy Tale Ball. And the best dressed female and male awardees are Mr. Bon Joseph.
Prince ni Snow White.
For Prom Prince and Prom Princess. The Prom Prince is a young man who exhibits qualities of kindness, humility, and genuine interest in the well-being of others. He is friendly and has an approachable demeanor, making him a popular figure among his peers. The Prom Princess is a young woman